So for over 9 decades, Bizerba builds the best slicers for its customers, and always based on 4 different pillars. So we have perfect ergonomics for the operator, we have a really high efficiency and a good performance, we have a maximum of safety, and of course a hygienic design. All this combined with outstanding and unique added values for the customer. And now we reach a new level. We have a new value of added values, and this added value is now SmarterSlicing. Yeah, there are 2 different points. So on the one hand, it's the relief of the operator. So support the operator in his daily business. Sharpening, slicing, cleaning and maintenance. So to be certain that we have an optimal slicing result, that we have a really optimal cleaning and really have a maximum availability of the slicer. And with this support, the operator can focus on his core, focusing on the customer. And on the other hand, we have transparency. So transparency to the back office, and therefore we can really analyze the fresh food counter, all the processes, and give there more added value to our customers. We really love to bring added value to our customers by unique solutions. And in the future, we will always focus on the 4 pillars. So on ergonomics, on safety, on performance efficiency, and also, of course, on hygiene. But new added values will be done by software, by digitalization. And with SmarterSlicing, we really started in the right way. We did the right step into the right direction to bring SmarterSlicing to our customer. We will expand it and we will focus on that in the future. And therefore, we will be really great prepared for the future of Bizerba and what will happen worldwide.